Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to add more color ramps to your QGIS project. As of right now, you can see there are about 35 color ramps, but I want to show you guys how to add even more color ramps to your QGIS project. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. So my data set here is the zip code boundaries of the state of New Jersey in the United States. If I double click onto my shapefile and come down to symbology, I could change the top part here in the drop down to categorized or graduated, but I'm going to do categorized based on the population, just to get some categories here. And what it did now is did some random colors. I'll apply that and say okay. Scooch this over just a bit. Now going back to the symbology here, if I go to the drop down where it said random colors, it gives me some other color ramps. I could get even more by coming down to all color ramps, and there's about 35 of these. But if you come down here where it says create new color ramp, and the drop down, you select this one right here where it says catalog CPT-city and say okay. Now you get over 1,000 color ramps, and this is by theme, such as bathymetric, grays, greens, precipitation. My favorite is the topography. Or we could come over here by author. Now there is a bit more, and how this is grouped is, for example, we have like these apparently are the authors, but if you go back to themes and you open up these subcategories, you see these are the authors. So they did the heavy work here. A lot of credit goes out to these folks who put this together, because it's just a wonderful source to add more colored gradients to your QGIS project. So I hope this helps. This is just a very quick video, but I think it's just a great resource to add more color ramps to your QGIS project. Again, you just go to color ramp, drop down, create new color ramp, and go to catalog CPT-city to access these new color ramps. So if you guys are new to the channel, thanks for watching, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. I put one out every week, and if you're already subscribed, I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions or requests for future videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.